Hey, welcome back all. Here I am again, back out on the lawn. Today's May 1st. April has been a crazy month for me. I got approximately 7 inches of rain this entire month. So I've been dealing with a lot of floods in my lawn. A lot of erosion been going on. It's just a typical season in my area. Usually around the month of April and May is when we got a ton of rain. June, July, and August is like no rain. But that's been the pattern. This is my 3rd season, and because I applied Pillar SC in the fall, I also applied Headway G early of last month. So I weeded out the possibility of having fungus in the lawn. Next is this insecticide. I did apply Dominion 2L, which is a treatment for grubs. I never had an experience of grubs in the lawn at all, but I went ahead and treated it just in case. But it comes down to maybe just the lawn just died in the wintertime. It's really hard to say exactly what caused it. But in cases like these, you can use a tool such as a Pro Plugger. You can buy this at Amazon. It comes with 2 rings that you can set up here. The one I got set up here is basically takes it down to 4 inches deep. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just pull cores out from healthy sections of the lawn and then put it here in this bare spot. And as I frequently mow throughout the weeks, it should help spread the grass, and then it should recover more quick. I will say that I did apply PGR in the yard, not necessarily in the bare spots. I was trying to avoid those areas, but I did put it in the remaining areas that have like a ton of grass. So we'll see whether or not that prevents spread or slows it down. I'm actually curious to see if that's gonna reduce the spread. But let's go find out. Let's have a look at the cores here. So you can see where Carbon Pro G was laid, and then we still have some clay content, the original clay content. About 2 seasons ago, all this was up here, and now you can see that a lot more carbon products, more healthy products are up here close to the surface. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick these in the holes. Say that any rocks that you find in the process, go ahead and pull those out while you're doing this. So here's a good example of how deep the roots are. You notice that this is 4 inches right here, and this root is beyond 4 inches. So it's doing pretty well. Now some of the plugs are a little lower because maybe it had a rock within the core. So taking that out had made it much shorter than the original pool. So what I like to do is stick some CarbonizPN that I have left over into the bottom of it, and then I'll also top dress all the plugs with CarbonizPN. We'll just go ahead and pull this one back out here. Hopefully I don't break anything. Down here on the bottom. There we go. I've raised it up. Stick that in here. Like that. And then we'll go ahead and fill in these old holes with some CarbonizPN as well. All right, now that's done. Let's just go ahead and give it some water, and then I'll come back and mow over this a few days later. And we'll just keep monitoring and see how the grass spreads. If you look over here, you notice that the grass is already starting to grow in. Beginning of April, it was totally bare, this entire area. So the frequent mowing plus the heat, as the weather is getting warmer, I'm confident to say that this will definitely grow back. So the plugs are definitely going to speed up the process when it spreads here. And I imagine everything from the outside of the bare spot will come in toward the center. And we've got the plugs in the center that will spread out. Maybe toward the end of May that we'll get this all fully grown back in. But I will mention that I do plan on doing core aeration later this month. So that's going to speed it up even faster. Alright guys, let's check this out in a few days to weeks. It's been over a week since I mowed. Just been getting so much rain. Had approximately 3.2 inches of rain in just 1 week. So let's check the progress over here. I don't know if you can see it. There's one there. So not really much progress, unfortunately. So this may not be a good video for you guys because we had overcast pretty much all week. Just started getting sunny today and yesterday. And temperatures have been like in the 60s. We even had one night where it was 57. So it's been fairly cool in the evening. Not enough heat to get this Bermuda going yet. So I'm looking forward to later this month for it to heat up. Another section there that I can't get to take off. You can see here where I put the plugs in. They haven't really been filled in either, so that already tells you that grass hasn't really been growing due to the weather. So we need more heat. I'm a bit embarrassed to show you guys this. I don't know what happened, but all that rain that I've been getting, it's been washing everything off and going that direction toward the street. So now all this is just basically compacted dirt. I raked this earlier before I mowed and it's just really hard. So I can't wait to take an aerator to this. This is in definite need of aeration right here. very bad compaction going on. Basically everything that's coming from the house. So I've got 2 gutters right here, and they come through this bed, and all the water just accumulates, slopes down that way, and then kind of makes its way toward that, and then ends up over there on the street. So when I do my sand leveling this year, I may try to figure out how I can direct the water, maybe create a valley for the stream to flow. Unfortunately, I do not have a drainage. It'd be nice if I had a French drain hooked up to those gutters and then have it come under this lawn all the way to the street. That would have been ideal. And maybe down the road I might do it, but not right now. You guys noticed the sod that I laid down here. There's a video on that I'll be putting up very soon. Just click up in this area of the video if you want a direct link to it. Alright, all that concludes this video. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to show you how the Pro Plugger works by getting the grass to spread due to the weather being overcast and a ton of rain in the past week. And also I wasn't able to do the frequent mowing. I only mowed one other time other than the last time I filmed myself doing the Pro Plugger. So stay tuned. I am going to do core aeration. That's going to happen in a few weeks with top dressing with sand. So that'll pretty much take care of everything as it always does. And looking forward to showing you some new equipment that I'll be using in that video. I'll give you a link to the Pro Plugger tool. It's widely available on Amazon in case you guys are interested. Anyways, have a good one all. Hope you are having fun in your lawn and doing great things. And I'll see you in the next video. Look at this, it's raining again. Isn't that crazy? When is rain too much rain? That's the question.